The idea of this is it's a close contact kick. So if someone stood very close to you, you're able to lift the foot up and still bring it up very high without having much distance. Now when we go on to the second kick, don't worry so much about the foot. Focus just on keeping the knee straight here, all the way around. And now I want us to look at extending the hip as the leg comes down. So just the same thing. So second kick. Behind here. Here. And round. So allowing the leg to come behind as it comes down. Uticha volta akam. Here. 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 The feet are together. The hands on the side with the thumb facing to the back, the palm facing to the outside. We'll just take a small step this way. Now the first movement is to go up and then down through the center, watching the thumb all the way down into elephant. Then for now, a little up. Come on to the side. Here, bring everything in and then open and forward. Here, finding lion position. So, keeping this opening with this knee going backwards, this knee going forwards. Let's just look at this kick. We want the foot to come back, up, from here to kick, down and forward. So if we put the arms here, now the movement is going then forward, and that's what we're going to use to go forward. So let's now go into the next part. Here, forward, open, looking up, the wrists cross. Then we come down. This elbow is going to come into the pelvis, into the navel. Here. Here we have our lion. And then we block. As you block, this right hand, just locking here. Try not to take it behind. Try to keep it here. Step through. This arm is very high. Reach up and straight down. Pedestrian. Then check the pelvis is square and extend this arm. Just the same as you did when you drop down here. The same position of the arm. So the elbow is straight and there's slight space created here on the side of the ulna. What we call ulnar deviation. So you open this joint and close this joint. This way. The arm folds back, so the back of the hand comes to the face. And as we do that, we rock back. Here. Then down, so the shoulder comes to the knee. Then to here. So lion position in the lower body. This point in your midline. 2 steps. 1, 2. And then cut. And as you make the cut, you also make this block here. Step, step, jump. Yes, long step to the corner. Good. 2 arms straight. And then around. Here we take the head. down. As you come through, the left arm extends. The right arm goes back behind the ear. You step forward, extend. Same movement with the arm. Turn. Then step with the right. Bring the weight forward, horse. Step with the right, kick. Up, down, behind, straight down. And I hope you're enjoying the course so far. For me, Nale Kanam, and see you tomorrow.